Hi, this is Dennis, aka DenRA, and this is the back of my house. That's my DenRA on-demand energy generator, the DenRA, which goes on automatically when the power goes out, the main grid. And this is my Kuan Yin over here. The sun is really bright. That's Kuan Yin, goddess of compassion and mercy. And the yellow garage door. We'll go down the hill, actually take a look up and catch what's going on up in the sky overhead. As you see, there's lots of clouds over this way to the south, and this is the tomato and beets growing right here. And the beets over here. I'll go back over this way. We'll get a little bigger shot. So these are the skies today. And this is in the backyard, basically, over the house. You can see how things change. The sky is breaking up all around this area, and this is what's going on here. There's a few beets right there. Got more eggplant, or not eggplant, but honey nut, butternut, that's it, butternut squash right there. Some green beans still left. I'm going to come out here and grab some of those. And got a few melons going on. That one looks pretty good right there. There's a couple right there. There's still some lettuce growing too. And still have a few of these growing too. Rose of Sharon. They usually are gone by this time, and looks like some are still opening up. There's a lot that could still bloom. we get some more nice weather. And so yeah, this is what is going on with the gardens right now. Most of the herbs have been, I'd say all of them pretty much have been harvested, and there's still some tomatoes. This is poke root here, and I didn't plant that, it just grew here. Poke root is poisonous unless you prepare it properly, and it's good for basically breaking up obstructions along with echinacea, which it's growing right with too. I didn't plant the echinacea there either, but I did plant the echinacea over here, of course, so it's easy to figure out what happened there. And there's a few tomatoes in there left. And over here we've got some more tomatoes, and these are starting to ripen now. I see a couple of orangish ones. So I counted over 150 tomatoes, I believe, the other day when I counted how many were on the vine still. And so there's quite a few left. And again, we'll cap off the sky. See what's going on. Up here. And then we have all the clouds over here. And then this big open space here of blue sky. And lots of sunshine coming in. Light rays beaming down, healing the earth. There goes the pigeons. They just flew by. I got tons of pigeons out here all the time. Okay, well, that's it for right now. Of course, we have these flowers here too. Looks like there's some corn or something growing right here. That's probably from the animals, because I feed corn to the animals all the time. So we'll go up here along the side of the house, and I'm on a hill. You can see the backdrop here in the shed, which has a lawnmower and so forth in it. So let's go this way, see if we've got anything happening out front here. Oh yeah, there's my pigeon buddies. There's my little pigeon friends. Hi buddies. You guys looking for food? Are you looking for food? Hi buddies. How's my little friends? How are you doing? How are you doing? Hi. You're on camera. You're pretty too. Yeah. Look at all these pigeons, huh? There goes another one. They're here every day, all through the year. I'll have to bring them out some more food here in a minute, because they're obviously still hungry. Hi buddies. How you doing? It's my pigeon boys and girls, moms and dads. Okay, well I'm going to go back in the house.